Hi friends, we are going to see important formulas for profit and loss in this video. So we are going to see important profit and loss formulas. So the profit and loss formula with examples in the new format is given in this video. The basic equation is SP is equal to CP plus profit. We can write this equation in terms of rupees and also in terms of percentage. So if we write in terms of rupees, it is SP is equal to CP plus profit in terms of rupees. Therefore another form is SP is equal to CP plus profit in terms of percentage. So for calculating profit for in rupees, it is SP minus CP is equal to profit in rupees. Therefore profit is equal to SP minus CP in rupees. The same also applies for percentage. Therefore SP minus CP is equal to profit in percentage. Therefore profit in percentage is equal to SP minus CP. Combining the two equations in a columnar form, we can write that SP is equal to SP minus CP is equal to profit, and the two columns are rupees and percentage. It is SP minus CP equal to profit. Therefore CP percentage is always fixed at 100. It is a standard condition. So we can also calculate all the missing information using this format. We are now moving to the first situation. Find the gain or loss when CP is equal to 420, SP is equal to 615. So we are copying the same format and we are substituting what are all the given information and what is to be found out. So CP is equal to 420 and SP is equal to 615. Okay, now we have to calculate profit or gain or loss. So 615 minus 420 is profit, that is 615 minus 420. It is profit or gain of 195. Now we are going to the next situation. Find the gain or loss when CP is equal to 310 and SP is equal to 310.25 and SP is equal to 285.25. Now we are substituting the given information in the format. So CP is equal to 310.25 and SP is equal to 285.25. Now we have to calculate profit or loss. So SP minus CP is equal to SP minus CP. It is minus 25 rupees. So minus represent loss. Therefore loss is for this situation is 25. Now we are going for the next situation. Find the cost price when SP is equal to 3125 and profit is equal to 225. Here SP is equal to 3125 and we have to calculate cost price. Profit is 225. So here the cost price is equal to SP minus profit, that is 2900. Here it is profit, here it is cost price. 2900 is the cost price. Now we are going for the next situation. Here it is selling price is 6,318 rupees and loss is 321 rupees. Here SP is equal to 6,318 rupees and loss is 321 rupees. So here it is minus 321. So here it is selling price minus of so cost price is 6,639 rupees. In this way we can calculate cost price. Now we are going for the next situation. Find the selling price when CP is equal to 3,200 and profit is equal to 421. So we have to calculate the selling price given that cost price is 3,200 and profit is 421. So we have to calculate the selling price. Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit, that is 3,621 rupees. The next given situation is find the selling price when CP is equal to 2,438 and loss is 365. So selling cost price is 2,438 and loss is 365. If it is loss 365, then profit will be minus 365. So cost price will be selling price will be cost price plus profit. Therefore that is equal to cost price plus profit. Therefore selling price is 2,073 rupees. Here find the profit percentage or loss percentage when CP is equal to 240 and SP is equal to 360. Here it is cost price is 240 and selling price is 360. Here therefore profit is equal to 3,600 minus 2,240. 360 minus 240, therefore 120 is the profit. So what is the profit and loss percentage? Therefore profit and loss percentage is equal to 120 divided by 240 into 100, that is 50%. So profit percentage is equal to 50%. Here the next situation is find the profit percent or loss percent when CP is equal to 625 and SP is equal to 525. Here CP is equal to 625 and SP is equal to 525. Therefore profit or gain is equal to SP minus CP. SP minus CP, that is minus 100. So minus 100 represents loss of 100. Here we can also calculate the profit loss percentage. Profit percentage or loss percentage is calculated using this formula. Therefore minus 16%. Minus 16% profit can also be taken as loss of 16%. In this way we can easily calculate profit and loss and also selling price and cost price using this format derived by us